Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a character from the Garten of Banban game. I'm going to show you how to draw Stinger Flynn. So to draw Stinger Flynn, we are going to start with an eye. So it's going to be a circle. And then we're going to make a smaller circle inside. Like that. And now we're going to do another circle. All right, so that last circle is way smaller, but not super small. So next thing, we're going to do the shape of the head, which is kind of like an upside down U. Or like a hill. All right, so going across, we're going to do a pile of little U shapes all the way along. All right, so now the next thing we're going to do, we are going to do one tentacle, kind of like an arm, coming up this way, and another one, and then we can do four long ones coming to the ground. So let's see. Do one coming out this way. Now really, yours can be going any way you want. It's up to you. So I'm going to start with one kind of in behind this first one. And this other one is going to be kind of behind that one. And now another one. And another one. All right, so now I'm going to get started coloring. All right, so there we go. We are finished our drawing. Thank you very, very much for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And of course, I hope to see you back here for whatever we draw tomorrow. All right, everyone, goodbye.